It's Domingo. ¿Cómo estás? So today was the first time I turned on the motorcycle after it's been sitting in the garage for the whole winter. So you might hear it pop, just like popcorn machine. Anyway, today I want to remove these ugly reflectors from the forks and the ones here in the back. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do that. I also added 3 of my favorites in the link below. Check them out. Hola amigos. I'm halfway done and it's not as easy as you might think. So basically for these rear reflectors, it's much harder because when you lose the fishing line, the reflectors come out, but the 3M tape stays. So removing the 3M tape, it takes a long time. You gotta be patient. I've used different products and I did find Gugon, a better product to remove that. As I said, be patient. It takes a long time, but the end result is amazing.